So I have one more after this, and then I get a break.
My bad.
Wow, he bossed you around.
Bowen on that ball. What? You didn't have Bowen back in. I got him on the strike too, and that's not strike. I don't care about you.
No, I get it. Kanye West is 18. Kanye West music, yes.
Like, in my opinion, I think he's a better producer than the music.
Oh, yeah.
Like, some of the stuff that he produced. One of the other people I yeah, he's been like in the music industry for 40 years. And the thing is, he doesn't play any instruments. He doesn't know how to work the soundboard. He doesn't know how to like mix, master, or record anything. The reason why he's so popular with other music artists is because he's great with music. Like he's great at critiquing artists' work and give good advice for them in order to improve on that work. And without him, we wouldn't have like some of the greatest songs ever played. He's worked with Beastie Boys, Red Hot Chili Peppers, Metallica, Slayer, Travis Scott, Kid Cudi, Kanye West, A$AP Rocky.
That is quite the lineup.
Like without him, we wouldn't have this song. Because I remember hearing the story of this. The singer for the Red Hot Chili Peppers wrote this poem. Rick saw it. He was like, "What is this?" I was like, "Oh no, it's just a poem that I wrote." And he said, "You should out of the bridge." And so he showed it off to the rest of the band, and then they loved it. So they started joining along, and then that song, that poem became the bridge. I'm pretty sure he uploaded that song.
So good. It's literally, well, no, my favorite song ever is by Rink, but it's largely, no, it's Ivy. Ivy, oh, that song ever be great. Like, maybe I can get Ivy because unfortunately, there's a Taylor Swift song that's called Ivy though too. People are going to think my name's named after Taylor Swift.
Like what he looks like is so funny.
Rink goes, oh no, Rink, the Ruben guy?
Yeah, he's like an old white dude with a very, like a Santa Claus beard. And like it's like messy, reddish kind of hair.
Wow.
Like, he looks like that.
Oh, close one.
When you look at him, you don't think he's like a genius. Like, that's who's won like 9 Grammys.
God, that's crazy.
And he's such a nice, down to earth person. And he's also part of the reason why hip hop is as big as it is now.
Oh, that's good, yeah.
When you were with Beastie Boys on the first album, he like helped them find a good place to record and find good artists for them to work with. Like Rink helped them run DMC, which was like one of the biggest hip hop groups ever. And
Why is this not
their
true?
first album later on in the first ever platinum hip hop album ever.
Oh, wow.
Which is kind white kid from the Bronx.
Oh no, yeah.
Why is this not working? There was a really bad issue between the boys and the boys couldn't get credit for the problem. And then they met.
So later on, they settled it. They have a court and they make it.
Hey, let's keep up the score. Go, Ben. Let's go.
Another person I would like to see is Pharrell Williams. Like, you ever see that movie he came out with? The one that was like, Lego?
I don't think the Lego movie.
No.
Oh.
So he made like.
Hey Jason, can you send over another iPad charger to the Gray Rink? This one that I have does not work. Unless it's this. Is it the power cord? Does that work to your phone? Check this on your phone first before I mess up. Oh. Is it working now?
Oh!
What happened?
Okay, yeah, it's working.
Okay. Scratch that. We figured it out.
You've never seen the new Lego?
I thought we needed another iPad charger, but we're actually fine. I don't know. Last thing I knew about Pharrell was the Despicable Me song. Oh, you took that. Okay.
So,
What's going on?
they made, so Pharrell Williams decided to make like a movie about his life and how he became, but he decided to do it through Lego.
Oh, that's fun.
And it was super cool. And he managed to get like so many different like artists that worked. Like you got Kendrick Lamar, Rink, Ocean, Gap, No Doubt,
Oh, nice.
Dude, oh my God. Like, there's like so many things I can learn from him. Like, he grew up in Virginia Beach with Pusha T, Mary J. Blige, and someone else. Yeah. Oh no, you're all good. We don't need one. We'll figure it out. Oh, your guitar? Thank you. I thought you said you were bringing that picture.
Who brought a guitar for you?
Nick.
Oh, nice. Oh, right there.
Dude, I need to create a drink. I have like a black strat. I love it, but I want to get the one I have now. Something more quiet. I need something to stop.
Oh.
So I have like a yellow. I want to play that. Yeah.
This day?
Yeah.
Yeah, I agree. Because there's been some good conversations.
Dude, I hope like in the future what they can do here that here, but not have the audio.
You know, I could mute it. There's a mute button on here.
Yeah,
I
that
just,
would be good.
I know he doesn't want me to do that.
Dude, I hope like they could get like announcers where
Yeah. Also, hook up a Bluetooth mic up one of the players. I don't know. Mic up a ref. So that we don't have to worry about it.
or what they do, have like the video camera up here.
Yeah.
With that, connect a speaker like somewhere else, and have an announcer.
Yeah. I mean, yeah. I could totally be the announcer. But I was never told to do that, so I know Natalie does it.
Your Logan won't announce one.
I do, you know, I say some things. Oh, for NBA Film, he was having us like, there was one tournament where I had to like announce the numbers after. I thought it was so cool when we did have that one tournament where like the announcers with the giant speakers came in, like the DJs came in to like announce the championship game. He should be doing that.
Relax. Move. You gotta move. We're standing still. We're all standing still. Hey, this is what happens, guys. Change here. Change.
I still didn't hear you.
I'm pretty sure my girlfriend is around it.
Round. Okay.
Last week I had a bunch of friends over. Like, we had to be back by 10:30. But we didn't get home until like,
It's like 15 minutes late. It's not.
Yeah. Some people are just more strict about that.
Her mom was. When I got back home, she texted me, I think I'm going to be grounded for like a month. And like, she has been texting me back every single day, but not a lot. I think she's like hiding. I love it.
Yeah, that's sometimes not good.
Time.
Her dad does. Her dad does.
Too much individual right now.
It's also so everybody's relationship with their parents is so much different in high school as it is to compared to college. Like once you get out of the house, things change so much.
in high school, it's either really healthy or really nasty. In college, most of the time it's
Pretty good because you have a healthy distance from them.
like, if it's like an unhealthy relationship, once you get to college, it starts to become stronger. Because you're like,
Right. And I had a healthy relationship with my parents in high school, but they were just a lot more strict, and it was just, you know, tough because I wanted to do other things and whatnot. There's nothing wrong. Yeah. Like, I know, and nobody, like, you don't understand that at the time because you're the one affected by it, but, like, looking back on it, I'm glad my parents were strict with me in high school, and,
Like, looking now, I am glad that my parents are strict about
yeah.
But yeah, I'm still kind of pissed off about it because obviously.
The stricter parents are sometimes sneakier you get. You gotta find out. But now I love spending time with my parents. Since I've been in college and whatnot.
I remember my mom told me, if you guys ever you go to a party, you decide to like push on and you want to not like drive home.
Yeah.
Call us.
Yeah. And that's really the best thing to say to your dad. Because
But if we do get
It should be safe.
like decent,
Yeah, they care about your well-being more than.
I but I do.
Yeah.
But I don't smoke. So every time I just smoke, why? Because
I'm over the world right now. Oh.
when I am like old enough for it, I'd probably graduate. I'm more responsible. Right? Right? See, I remember me and my friend one day he asked like, what do you think this like release of like dangerous drug is? And so we went down like a rabbit hole. We found a shark. And my friend was like, why did it affect the user and affect others? We see which I don't like. It's not. Put them in your bag. Me and Maddie have been having long discussions about
I need a headphone. It's like you gotta get zoned in to go to bed.
Dude, I listen to music all the time. Like, I try, like, I do.
You need to wear your AirPods are the best key important things in these games. Remember when we first started working together and we wanted to say like a word to each other? I know. I felt like you hated me. Yeah, because you weren't paying attention to the game and I was because I was doing the video. So I had to keep telling you what to do.
Only like when she first came here, she thought you hated her.
Hated Natalie?
Yeah.
No, I never hated Natalie. We worked in a position where we just collided a lot at first.
It feels like anytime you work with someone for the first time, when it feels awkward, you
Yeah, no, I never hated Natalie. I used to be her volleyball coach, and then I used to coach her volleyball here. And then she started working here, and I took her on as volleyball coach. But then our personalities are very similar, where we like to be the one to run things and to do things. Like we're very responsible, and we like to like be the head, you know. So I think there were times where we were getting frustrated with each other because we both wanted to run the class, and then so like then we had her stop doing it, so that we wouldn't butt heads like that. That was all that was. I do remember that kind of.
Find the ball! Find the ball!
I also can, if things annoy me, I like shut down and make it seem like I hate everybody. So I think that's a problem that I need to overcome. Yeah.
first time I came here, it was like silent. I didn't work because I was too young. I think I was like 10, 11. At that time, all the stuff in that room over there was not there.
Yeah, I know.
And that's where we set up.
Yeah. Because Mix used to own it. Mix used to own a store in there.
And then the first time I did it, the first thing I did, at the end, Tyler, I think, scored an empty net, but what he did, he like ran all the way up, took a flash shot on an empty net. That's a big no-no. So, when he did that, some other guy ran up to him and threw, like threw him. And then, like, the benches cleared, everyone got to the fight.
Your first game.
And then, dude, I forget who was the ref, but the ref came over and was like, alright, you gotta have, alright, so the first penalty is, and he looked at me and I was like, I could do this. He was like, shit, you're right. Where's my shot? And so, everyone helped me out. The refs, the coaches, even the players did.
3 from 4. 3 from 4.
One thing is, like, some of the people who got into fights, like, later on, came over to help me out. And, like, just completely forgot about it. Like, after everything was put in, everyone went off and, like, shook hands and but then sometimes, like, until the fights, they didn't. Like, after one of the fights that happened, the Rinks, someone got into a fight off the ring and they tried to go from it.
Yeah. Oh, that's like
That was during the summer.
when I used to close here. That happened. Well, I had to call the police because there were parents of their kids fighting outside.
Another time we were there at the end of the game, down to a fight, some kid took his helmet off. Over here, coach
Coming off, hit his head with it, flew across the ring. I think I was in that game too.
Yeah, I used to be so anxious doing these tournaments because the benches would like fight and I'd be sitting in the middle like, oh my god, please.
the perfect
Why there is on that ring, there's a goalie fight one time. That was
Oh, that's fun.
like, dude, when it happened, like when the two goalies started to fight, everyone's like stopped what they were doing just to watch.
Natalie said there were some pretty big fights on this ring last night. I missed them.
But luckily nothing big.
That's all he does is swing.
There was one time, the first corner for Music City back, and during one of the playoff games, two players got into a fight, and then
And now the ball's in.
like, I can't wait for
The next what?
But after the games, there's actually something to do. Like usually we go to the Top Golf or we go to downtown. Like last time we were there, we went to a Texas preseason game.
Well, that's fun.
So cool. Me too.
actually playing in this tournament?
Yeah.
When?
Hey, I'm here.
Wow.
Where's the guy from?
When's the Nashville weekend?
Yeah, buddy.
Can you guys convince your dad to give me hotel room so I can come? Can you guys convince your dad to let me come? Yeah.
You can literally go up to him and say, hey, can I come to Nashville? And I guarantee
I tried the last time.
Last time was so cool. It was like music video.
they interviewed me last time. Oh, okay. Hey, sir!
I want to go to Nashville.
There's Nelly's platform.
No, you're finishing 15 seconds, kid. Eight. Hold on. Get in the freeze, Brian. You gotta wait until they say
Logan, did I show you my new tattoos yesterday? He's gonna listen to me. Did I show you my new tattoos yesterday? They're bleeding because this is new, but the second skin fell off. What's in the back? A bow? Oh no, now I see. Nothing. I'm doing a patchwork sleeve. And then I have a flower. First of all.
Have you seen the people that get tattoos of mustaches or beards?
Oh my God. That'd be so much fun.
Like, do you think Logan could actually qualify as
I think that'd be really cool. You could like twist it and stuff.
like the cone stash?
The comb stash. Like the one that's like trending these days. Just a stash, no beard. Please. Oh, I don't know.
Dude, oh my god. If someone wants to pull up a mustache, it's by far.
Take it!
Oh yeah.
You get the Charlie Chaplin mustache?
Yeah.
Is it that for your first mustache? For your first mustache? The Charlie Chaplin mustache?
Or like
We're looking!
I remember seeing like an edit where Brock had a mustache. Bruno down.
Still good, still good!
Thank you. What do you say? God, open your ears.
Open your ears! Okay.
Riley, we're creators, so he's not gonna be a superhero.
No!
That's so sad. He commented on his recent post and he said something.
Okay, no, here's the thing.
Is the type of person to say
Why?
something.
I know, you're right. I know. I screenshotted his comment because it was funny, but I saw it last night.
Dude, imagine like Kendrick does stuff and then like you just hear something like New Magic Wand, and then you just see Tyler and he's like, I lied.
That's what he commented on his post. But like Kendrick's his video that he posted that he announced the marching, you know,
Like
the
the
music at the end.
Hey, now Tyler creator
Yeah,
has
see now. I know. It all looks promising.
I'm not gonna lie, Tyler's version of that song.
Oh, okay, yeah. I thought you were about to say bad.
That guy is better than me now.
Yeah, I do really like that. He's pretty loud. The sticky music video is about to come out. Yeah. I can't wait until I see Tyler.
I'm trying to get that.
Dude, come on. I'm in the floor. I'm in the pit.
Seriously?
Yeah. I'm gonna be in the pit.
Take me, please. I want to do.
I'm gonna get there bright and early in the morning.
I wanted to be
About.
the administrative Pittsburgh Union.
Yeah, I know. I would assume he is playing that. Yeah.
It's just like the always.
He's got. That's like his favorite song to
Yeah, that
perform.
is his favorite song. You know Death Camp? I want to make. I know he won't play that, but I really want to play that.
I'd have to hear it. I think so. Oh, were you the one that wanted my vinyl?
Chips left on the inside. Give him that.
Yeah. Were you the one that wanted my Call Me If You Get Lost vinyl? Did we talk about that? Yeah. I have 2 vinyls for Call Me If You Get Lost. I have the regular one and the deluxe one.
The estate sale one?
Yeah. I do like that.
That album introduced me to Jesus Touchdown. Remember when I first searched up Jesus Touchdown, see what it looked like? His hair coming off guard so
I
much.
don't think I know.
He has like nails in his hair.
Oh, I've seen it.
And then when I realized that he was on the Travis Scott song for Utopia, I freaked out.
Oh yeah, did you ever figure out if there are actually features on that Weekend album?
There is.
Yeah, that's what I
We
thought.
found out that the song he did with Playboy Cardi is on there.
Okay, and it's not labeled?
Probably is.
Yeah.
Features on there.
Go for it! Oh, I love that. Oh, I love SZA.
You know she's on tour?
Yeah, with Penny. Are you talking about SZA or Glow? Oh, I did not know she was.
But I don't think she's coming to Philadelphia. The closest place she's coming to.
My friend just moved to Baltimore, man.
Dude, I'm gonna be honest.
No.
Like, I feel like not many big artists do it.
That's such a lie. That's crazy that you said that.
Not everybody's got your motor, bud.
Oh, what a good one.
Hey, line up. Here we go.
What's up?
Did I tell you to put Caleb in for me? God damn it.
85-19. I have no idea what he's saying. Here, I can take it.
Guys, line up.
I'm sorry. Could you repeat that one more time? We're having trouble understanding you. Okay, sweet.
Get one press.
Okay, then why the fuck were you calling my name?
Does anyone want Starbucks?
Yeah? Are you going out to get it or getting it delivered?
Yeah, now hustle back. Now you gotta hustle back.
Can you give me a gingerbread, grande gingerbread chai latte hot? I think it's a gingerbread oat milk chai latte, I think. What the fuck? Sorry, that's just what it's called.
Gingerbread chai.
Oat milk chai, I believe. Shut up. Starbucks we're ordering from. Of course it's gonna sound like that.
Who had the last goal? What do I want? 45. 89?
Take me.
45.
That's right.
You can share mine. It's really good though.
I thought I had it.
Have you ever had chai lattes? They're so good. They taste like Christmas. I think you'd like it. Do you like sweet stuff? It doesn't have it doesn't have a lot of caffeine in it. So if you need something with caffeine, then
Still going. Ball down.
Another 100 and extra shot.
Go deep. Oh, left side. That's a good deal.
actually put a shot of espresso in mine. Put a shot of espresso in mine. You're fine. 2 gingerbread oatmeal chai lattes, shot of espresso added.
Oh, yeah, good.
He's back. 2 gingerbread oatmeal chai lattes.
Let's see that shot.
snow for going for and they were coming to Philadelphia.
Who?
It's like a big band.
Okay. And you like?
The day that the tickets were shown, like a few hours later, they all sold out. Like the fact, and I'm like, dude, when I found out they sold out in 3 hours, I was like, how the fuck did it sell out that quickly? For a band that hasn't like done anything in years, it isn't really that big now.
Yeah.
Crazy.
Yeah, but
Point! 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 Help, third guy in! You gotta help! Help! Hey, if you need a change, you go! Get back! Get back in the zone! Pass, Junior! Shot! Shot! Hey, heads up!
final score. What's that team? Warbirds 4 and Jokers 3. Full time. Good enough. And thank you for